Okay, I bought myself a 3D printer and printed out this tipJet rotator. As you can see, the three arms go into the body, which is clamped together. In here is a bearing on the inside like that, and on the outside is a Labyrinth seal. So this is fixed, the bearing and the seal are all moving on the inside, so we have this effect. This is a 3D printed nozzle, which is basically the air runs along the tube, it comes out through a hole in the side, and then it comes into this nozzle. So that's the reducing nozzle, but it's also got a venturi on it as well. As it's spinning, these air intakes here will add a bit more air and may give it a bit more of a venturi effect to give it more grit, get up and go. I thought the highest torque is going to be out on the end, so I've made two positions. On the base here, as you can see, there's a clamp, which is clamped together. The air intake's coming from the bottom with a regulator and a tap. Now I thought what would happen, this outside one would have more torque, and I could set it up so that the outside one would start the machine, and then when it got running, this inside one would come on, and because it's going to go fast, because it's spinning at a small diameter, I thought it would go faster. But that isn't actually happening, so probably just the tipJet is probably going to be fine. When I do put two of them together, it makes no difference. I could probably increase the pressure, but I'm trying to run it at a reasonably low pressure. At the moment it's running at about 40 psi. So what I might do, I'll put this on the stand and we'll give it a run and we'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, we have no way to measure the revs at the moment. We'll just try it at 40 psi. I already know if I have the jets coming straight out, it doesn't seem to be going as hard. If I have it on the inside, it doesn't seem to be going as hard. But if I have it on the outside here, it goes reasonably well. I'm not sure of the revs, whether they're enough to have any important torque or power, I don't know, because I can't check the revs and I have got no real load on it as such. So it's set up at about 40 psi. And that's running at 40 psi, as you can see there.